60, Lenovo. The screen was cracked. There's the screen right there. And like, you know what? It's not worth spending money on. It's a cheap machine. You could probably buy it for 100, 150 bucks. The screen is going to cost me that much, maybe $75. I don't know. But I don't need a screen. And you want to wonder how it's being propped up. They took the LCD frame and bent it to prop up the laptop. And it doesn't look bad. It works fine. It works just like any other computer. That's because it is a computer. What am I talking about? Just on an external monitor.